starting off today with a little DIY. Now these candles I bought from the Dollar Tree, red glass candles or tall candles in a glass container, and I'm melting them down over slow heat, and I'm going to place them in these beautiful little Santa mugs that I also got from the Dollar Tree. Now please be careful and make sure that you use a pot holder here because this wax is very hot. So you're going to take the melted candle wax and carefully pour it in to your mug. Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. Today I'm going to be participating in the Winter Christmas Coffee Bar Beverage Bar collab, hosted by It's a Blessed Home with Kimberly Davis and Kenya's Decor Corner. So here on my counter, I have some of the things that I'm going to be using to put together the coffee bar, and I'll tell you all about them as I go along. Okay, let's get started. I'm going to start off first with this beautiful 'Tis the Season sign that I picked up at the Target dollar spot. And then I have a beautiful ruby red tray that I thrifted. Next, in the corner, I have an apothecary jar filled with red and white Dollar Tree balls. So let's move on. The next thing I'm going to come in with is this beautiful teapot, red and white teapot. That was a thrift find. And I found it while I was on vacation, honey, my vacation road trip. And if you have not seen that video, I'll be sure to link it in the description box below so you can check that out. I also have the matching creamer to this. I want to thank our beautiful host, Miss Kenya from Kenya's Decor Corner, and Miss Kimberly Davis of Home with Kimberly Davis. Isn't that adorably cute? I'm going to come in with my little apothecary jars, and I got these some time ago, and those I'm going to fill with our snacks. I have some shortbread cookies, and then I have some wafer rolls that I'm going to put on my tray. I also have some Swiss Miss hot chocolate with marshmallows, and I'm going to add that to my little drink area right here. And I'm going to put this right inside. This belonged to my mom, a beautiful little poinsettia dish. And on top of that, I have a clear glass cloche. So I'm going to put our hot chocolate right in these. Came from the Dollar Tree, y'all. I mean, when I tell you the Dollar Tree is stepping up their game, I mean to tell. These I picked up, and these are chocolate spoons, and I picked these up when I was at Home Goods. $7.99, and I believe there's like 15 or 20 spoons, 20 spoons in here. They had a pack of the chocolate spoons at the Dollar Tree, 6 in a pack for $1. Well, you tell me which one was the better bargain, honey. I'm kind of mad at myself for buying those ones from Home Goods when I could have got the Dollar Tree version for so much cheaper. Nonetheless, what's done is done. I'm not going back to return those spoons. So let's go ahead and put our delicious chocolate and peppermint spoons, and I'm going to put that right in the creamer dish. I'm going to spare you the noise. Okay, and right down here in the front are going to be our DIY Santa candles, and I'm just going to go ahead and trim the wicks on those. For my counter, I'm going to start with these beautiful ruby red chargers. I have these beautiful off-white linen textured dinner plates. Also a thrift find. I'm just going to lay on top of our dinner plate. And lastly, I have these thrifted Merry plates, and I also thrifted those on vacation. For our centerpiece, I have this off-white basin and pitcher that I filled with seasonal florals. You in for a closer look. I'd like to thank the hosts of this collab and ask that you stop by and show them some love, as well as all the other ladies who have participated in this open collaboration today. I hope you enjoyed what I've put together for you, and I hope it gives you inspiration. Until next time, thank you for watching.